Welcome back to BrookeNJake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake. And today, we're gonna be making your one-stop shop for all your potion ingredients.
Let's get to it.
Okay, so for this next potion ingredient, we are going to be using some vegetable oil and this little floral thingy that we're gonna take like the greens and the kind of yellowies and brown ones, like beads off, and put them in the bottles so they look like warts of a toad. And we're also probably gonna do a little bit of brown spray paint on the bottle to give it that dusty effect.
Weathering is what we'll call it.
Okay.
How are we gonna get vampire fangs of a vampire fangs?
With some skewers and paint. Okay, so we went ahead and cut all the tips off of these skewers.
And I'd have to say they definitely look very vampire-like and fangy.
So we're gonna pour some of this paint inside a baggie. Okay, so we're just gonna drop them in there. All right, those black pearls were pretty easy, but now it's time for the dangerously tiny and gooey Eye of Newt.
You're getting a little... Never mind.
Oh, okay. Well, I think I'm starting to feel a little funny, but I think it's time to do our last ingredient, which is dragon scales. We are going to take some fish leaves and kind of cut them up so they look like scales. And then we bought some like sparkly glass glittery stuff to also make it look like shiny scales.
Because we're using a rather dark bottle, we need colors that will pop.
Yes.
But it also doesn't matter really the color that we put in it because you won't see too much of it.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can't find Hungarian hornback. No, Hungarian horntail?
Hungarian horntail, I think.
Yeah, let's go look.
Yeah.
Wow, Brooke, I have to say, this has actually been really fun.
It's been super fun.
Making these like potions come to life.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to see how they look on our shelf or wherever they end up. But either way, I think it's gonna be something we can reuse year after year.
Yes, I love it. And they are officially done. And now that they're done, I feel even weirder, I think.
Like you did something that made yourself happy every single day?
No, it's a little more different than that. Like, I don't know, I can't explain it. I feel a little funny.
Oh!